Responsibility and accountability are fundamental concepts in policy documentation. They ensure that employees understand their duties and the expectations placed upon them. Clear delineation of these concepts in policy documents is necessary for maintaining order and efficiency within an organization. Responsibility in policy documentation involves outlining what is expected of each employee. This includes defining roles and duties explicitly so there is no ambiguity about who is responsible for what tasks. Each section of the policy should specify the responsibilities associated with particular roles, ensuring that employees know exactly what is required of them. Effective policy documents provide detailed descriptions of responsibilities. They avoid vague statements and use precise language that leaves no room for misinterpretation. This clarity helps employees understand their duties and how their actions contribute to the organization's goals. Accountability goes hand in hand with responsibility. While responsibility refers to the duties assigned, accountability involves being answerable for the outcomes of those duties. Policy documentation should establish clear mechanisms for accountability, specifying how performance will be monitored and evaluated. This includes defining reporting lines and establishing processes for feedback and review. A well-structured policy document outlines the consequences of failing to meet responsibilities. This can include disciplinary measures, performance reviews, or other actions that maintain accountability. By clearly stating these consequences, the document helps to create a culture of accountability where employees understand the importance of meeting their obligations. Transparency is vital in fostering accountability. Policy documents should outline procedures for reporting issues and addressing failures. This transparency ensures that employees feel supported in their roles and know there are established methods for dealing with problems. It also helps to build trust within the organization, as employees see a fair and consistent approach to accountability. Responsibility and accountability are not just about individual performance. They also involve teamwork and collaboration. Policy documents should highlight the importance of working together and supporting each other in fulfilling responsibilities. This collaborative approach helps to ensure that all tasks are completed efficiently and that the organization runs smoothly. Clear communication is essential for promoting responsibility and accountability. Policy documents should be written straightforwardly, avoiding jargon and complex language. This ensures that all employees, regardless of their background or experience, can understand their duties and expectations. Regular training and updates can help to reinforce these concepts and ensure that employees remain informed about any changes to their responsibilities. Regular review and updating of policy documents are necessary to maintain relevance. As organizational goals and structures change, so must the responsibilities and accountability mechanisms. Engaging employees in this review process can provide valuable insights and help identify areas for improvement. Policy documentation effectively addresses responsibility and accountability and contributes to a positive organizational culture. Employees who understand their duties and are held accountable for their performance are more likely to be engaged and motivated, leading to higher productivity and better overall performance. Managers play a role in this process. They must ensure that policy documents are clear, comprehensive, and regularly updated. They should also lead by example, demonstrating responsibility and accountability. By fostering a culture of responsibility and accountability, managers can help to create a more effective and cohesive organization. Emphasizing responsibility and accountability in policy documentation is essential for organizational success. Precise definitions of roles and duties and transparent accountability mechanisms ensure that employees understand what is expected of them and are motivated to perform to the best of their abilities. This approach supports individual performance and enhances overall organizational effectiveness, contributing to a more productive and harmonious workplace.